For your added comfort and convenience, you can recline and fold the second row seats in your Lincoln. Let me explain. Your rear seats have a 60-40 split, so you can recline or fold down one or both sides. To recline your seat, find the adjustment lever located at the side of the seat closest to the door and pull it up. Continue to hold it up while you slowly lean back. When the seat is reclined to a comfortable position for you, or until it can't go any further, release the lever. To move the seat back to the upright position, pull the lever up again, then lean forward or guide the seat up with your hand until it locks into place. To fold your seats, push the button on the side of the head restraint and fold it forward. Now, pull up on the same lever you used to recline the seat and fold the seat back down. To unfold your seat, just pull the seat back up and push it back firmly to lock it into place. You'll know it's locked when you hear a click. Now, return the head restraints to the upright position simply by lifting them up. You'll hear a click when they're locked into position. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit LincolnOwner.com.